everybody, welcome to another video, and today I'm going to be playing even more Power Washing Simulator. Now guys, if you have not watched the last couple of videos, well, not couple of videos, but the last video that I posted on this, definitely make sure to go check that out. You don't have to right now because this isn't really storyline based. It's just basically just cleaning tons of junky stuff. So yeah, let's get going with this. Let's clean off these stairs here. Actually, is this the... Yeah, this is the 25 degree. I want to go 15 degree. There we go. Yeah. Wait, this one's almost done. Alright, let's finish up this step here. There we go. There we go, that step's done. Alright, let's finish off this step wall here, there. Perfect. Oh, that's the pond edging. I think I want to just do this. And then rotate it. So it's that. And then rotate it again, so it's like that. There we go. There we go. Oh. Oh, the step edging is pretty mucky still. I guess you could call it that. Oh, I see now. There you go. There we go. That's so much better. Oh, step wall cleaned. Or step edging or whatever. This step's done, that step's done. Step edging. Huh? Okay. I don't know why I kinda laughed at that. I don't really know. But okay. Alright. Yes. Alright, I think I'm gonna come back to this job a little bit later. Clean the dirt bike. Clean the van. Clean the back garden. Clean the dirt bike. Oh, I'm gonna save on this one here. How do I view? Never mind. I'll just do clean the dirt bike. Okay. Yeah, but I promised you guys I am gonna come back to that later. I just don't want a full episode of one thing. Oh, well, the dirt bike's pretty easy to clean, I guess. Like, it's already 23% clean from just a couple of seconds. There we go. Clean off this tire here. Yeet. Oh, alright. The tire is made of plastic. There. Oh, almost. There. Yeah. Actually, still a little bit left on the tire. Oh, here's the stuff. Now that's cleaned. Get this here. Yeah. Get this cleaned. Oh, it's almost done. Oh, I see now. There we go, tire cleaned. Already 49% done. Let's get the handle here. Ooh, actually, I do have quite a lot of money now. Get the money. I'm sorry about that, guys. Anyway, I don't really get the gloves and the suits and stuff. Don't get how that's very useful, but okay. Equipment. Yes, this is what I want. Wait, do I have the Prime Vista? Is that what my thing is? Yeah, Prime Vista. Turbo nozzle. No. Long, short, turbo. There's no really new nozzles except for the turbo one. I'll get the turbo nozzle. Sure, why not? Short and long. Sure, why not? Nice. Oh, nice. I just got the achievement. Fully equipped. Nice. Sure, let's get that. Now, extension. Long. No. Let's get short. Wow, this. See, it's wiggling because I can't really hold it up. Can't really handle the pressure very well. That's definitely gonna come in very handy. I think I'm gonna stick with my 15 degrees nozzle though. Oh, handlebars. I think that yeah, the handlebars almost done. Oh right, I forgot I can pick up stuff. Let's just get this here. Yeet, yeet. All right, let's get this here. Oh, almost done. The back is definitely dirty still. Get that there. Tire almost done. Oh, there we go. Tire's done. All right, spoke set there's done. This one's almost done. There we go. There we go. That's another one done. That seems pretty shiny clean on that side. Same with on the back of it. That's the part that's not clean. And my bad. Is this one clean? Spoke, yeah. All right. Get this here. There we go. Fuel tanker, frame or whatever. Oh wait, no, the frame. I think that's what I just cleaned. Seat done. Dude, this thing is already looking so much better. Oh my gosh, amazing! Yeet! Oh, this game is so fun. Just get this. Oh, there. I think that's done. Oh, the engine is still kind of dirty. I don't know if I should really be doing that, but okay. Oh, yeah. There we go. Oh, get right in there. Get right in there. There we go. Oh, there we go. Handlebars done. I think it's no. B, I think it is no. I'm gonna need to see. I'm gonna need to see what looking at. Well, what revealing the dirt is again. Tab is show dirt. I always forget that. Oh, back is done. Oh, almost done there. Front is there we go. Pipe's cleaned. I don't really see the terrible. Oh, there. I see now. Get that done there. 95% clean. I think all I have left is just the engine. It's a little nasty right there. Oh. Oh, the front fender is still really dirty. Oh, I see now. Alright. Let's actually switch that. So it's like that. There we go. Front one, front, front fender. Front fender's clean, tire, all that stuff cleaned. Oh, the frame is still kind of dirty. Oh, I see now. There we go, the frame's done. Right. Oh, the back one's still kind of dirty. Oh, by kind of dirty, I mean super dirty. Alright, there we go. Yeet. Alright, exhaust the two fairings. I don't know where that is in the radiator. That's a lot of things I don't know. So, yeah. First, let's find the exhaust. So that goes from there, and the pipes go, here. This must be the exhaust. Yes! This is the exhaust here. Oh, there we go. Yes, that was annoying. Oh, that's the fairing. Okay, I see. That's the thing that's around the exhaust. Okay, there we go. That's done. Next is the radiator. I do not know where the heck the radiator is. Oh, right there. Let's go! Complete! There we go. Yeah. There we go. That's that. Hey, perfect. Perfect. Thank you. Next. Another person needs me to clean their van. Okay. So, I got the dirt bike. Alright. Okay. Alright. Wait. Oh, I already cleaned the van. Alright. Nah. And then clean the back garden. That's another one I need to do. That's what that is. Yeah. Alright. I am gonna have to stop this video here. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notifications bell so you never miss another video. Bye guys. Pico Pro out.